Here's Johnny. Hey guys, okay, so I'm up on top of the roof of the Airstream today, and I'm just going to be taking care of a couple of things that I've been putting off for a little while. The first thing is this cap here. This cap's basically the top of the fan that's in the bathroom, and it's got a big crack in it, and you know, I basically put some Sikaflex on here, but you know, I bought a brand new cap now, and it's time to replace it. So I'm going to do that today. So this is a pretty easy one. All there are is 2 screws holding this in, one there and one there. So all I got to do is remove the Sikaflex that's there currently, and unscrew it and put on a new one. Okay, the top is off. Here's the fan. We've replaced the netting inside, so it's pretty clean. So I'm literally just going to put the lid back on. This is the replacement lid made by Dexter. So this one has a kind of like a gasket around the outside for sealing, and also 2 brand new screws. So I'm going to be using those. Okay, last step is putting on some Sikaflex. This stuff will protect the screws from getting rusty. Let's hope we have some left. One blob. And second blob around here. And Bob's your uncle and Fanny's your aunt. And the other thing today I'm going to be replacing is this skylight here. As you can see, it's really old. Yeah, you can see all the mold that's just kind of etched itself on there. That's just never coming off. So time to remove it, get a new one on there. Okay, so this is the new cover that we bought. It cost a lot of money actually. It was, what was it, like 150, something like that. So it's not a cheap fix. First things first then, I'm going to be taking the old one out. So wish me luck. Wow, this stuff's like thick and gooey. Oh, it's gone now. We are fully committed. Well, you have to clean it up real good, otherwise the Sikaflex won't stick. Okay. Hey, we got a new door in here. Should I just jump down inside? Yeah. Be a new way to get in. People park up too close. Yeah. We got a family of stink bugs living in here. I guess they got stuck in there, and well, thank you, Stephanie. I have to clean off all this tape, the existing tape here that was from the old cap. And if I don't do that, the Sikaflex I'm going to use to stick this down is not going to work properly, and you know, it's entirely possible that the whole thing come flying off when we're going down the highway. So I want to make sure that we get a really good bond and a really good seal. So it's going to take a bit of time, but as with most things, it's always worth putting in the extra time to get a much better result. You don't want to lose your cap and going down the highway. That would not be fun. Alright guys, that is sanded and it's cleaned. So now the next step is going to be putting the Sikaflex down, and maybe some 3M tape as well, just for insurance purposes. Alright, job's almost done. So I've decided to forgo the Sikaflex, and I'm going to be using this VHF 3M tape, which is very strong. Yeah, I think this is going to do the trick. This is what it looks like. So yeah, just put it around the perimeter, stuck it down, peeled off the back, and now I'm ready to install the skylight. This is the cleanest you're ever going to see it. All right. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to drop this down. Attempt to drop it down. Like I say, once it's down, it's down. The stuff's so sticky. Okay.
All right, the reveal from the inside. Let her rip.
Oh.
Wow.
My God, what a difference.
So different. Wow, we could actually see outside.
I'm really happy with the install. I think Stephanie is as well. We'll see how the 3M tape goes. I'm pretty confident it's going to be okay though, because I installed all our solar panels with that tape and it really is a solid product. So let's see how it goes. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.